Assalamu alaikum dear student, this is lecture number 15 for 10th class. Today I will teach you English B. So let's start. Uh, Visit to zoo. This is an essay. A visit to zoo. Maybe you people have visit sometime zoo. There we see a lot of animals, birds, and a lot of beast type animals like snake, crocodile, and this type of like these are dangerous for people. And beast animal like tiger, lion, these are called animal because these are dangerous for human, and uh, they may bite and harmful for human. So introduction, firstly you will give what is zoo. Zoo is a place where people keep government keep sometime animals to show to the people like small children, to clear the idea about the things like this is lion, so this is really exist in the world. And if this is crocodile, this is also exist, and how its body is like you people are reading in the science subjects. This is frog, then you can examine that by operation also that this is frog. So this is like social things, these animals included in our environment. So firstly you will give the introduction about the zoo, and after that you will tell about the like here is just written I visited the zoo at Lahore on last Sunday. But firstly you will give the introduction about what is zoo. Next you will make a plan, like I made a plan with my friends or with my family then to visit a zoo. So we prepare like preparation were going for a week ago. So after that we on the fixed day, like we fixed a day, and on that day we went and we bought tickets. And firstly we hire a van and we went Lahore or anywhere where is the zoo is there. So we went there and we bought tickets and we entered the zoo. So we things we see there, we saw like a lot of things. Firstly, not things like animals. So beast animal like they are dangerous for human. So after that firstly we there were three sections. One, friendly animals like panda is there, and deer is there, giraffe is there. These are friendly animals, and elephant is there. So the next is section for beast animal. This is like tiger, lion, this type of animals were there. And the third section is for that is for a bird section. So you can mention that we saw there birds, a lot of kinds of birds were there, parrots there, doves there, and other kinds you also can mention which and eagles there. So and if you have visited any zoo, then you also can mention that we went there with family and with friends also. So you also will mention the things like what the like monkey is a friendly animal, so it can eat anything like banana can eat, and fruit also can eat. So with things liked by the animals, you also will mention those things. After that you roamed about half an hour. After that you was tired, like one section you visited, after that you were tired and you sat for a moment like half an hour. You took rest there, and there was a park for sitting for the people for rest. So you bought things from the like there was canteen aside of there in the park. So you bought things from there and you ate with your friends. All were very happy and they were telling like what the other animals were doing. And then you roamed about half an hour again, and after that you came back to home. So the memories of the visit still linger in my mind. And the things you also will mention, like here is mentioned sugar cane, and grams are there, and like fishes are swimming in the pond, then which things fishes eat, and other things like you will mention all. and children were there, and few were afraid, few were crying. These things you also can mention. And because of one, if a person want to get player, they should visit zoo. This type of suggestions at the end you also can mention. So a pair for the words. Lovely means pyara. It's a lovely scene. Lovable, like thing or person we can love. She is a lovable child. And medal, our football team has won a medal, like medal you are also taking in the playing, like for if we did a good work, after that there is a medal from the organization, or if there are two teams, one is won, then that is medal. So one is medal, interfere in the matters of other. Don't meddle with their affairs, like don't interfere with their affairs. So meddle is interfere. Meet, to meet, who wants to meet me. Meat, like eatable, this is meat. We bought eat from the meat shop. Metal means that gold is a precious metal. Jurat are troops showed their metal in the battlefield. So this is completed now. Salim will marry his cousin Saima. Marry is kush, eat, drink and be merry. This is also a proverb. So in this way you have to complete till here 5 pair of words, and then you have to complete paragraph number 10, translate into English, and after that you have to write from your side what is the situation of lockdown in your area, and have you seen any patient of corona, or which safety precautions are you taking now this time period. So have a good